Hello at welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O for another episode. At syempre 2026, diba? So we're cooking tuna today. So tuna, and then I'm just gonna top it with some vegetables, bagoong, and coconut cream. And of course, imamatch natin with Deli's fried rice. Kaya, I guess, isi-split natin itong episode into two. One is the Deli's fried rice, and ngayon ito, it's with tuna. Okay, let's cook. So mabilis lang to. I'm just gonna slice this. This is actually French beans, but you can use string beans, ha? Baguio beans or string beans. So we just want to slice it. Parang isang kagat lang. So para siyang gising-gising yung size, no? Ganun ang gagawin natin. Okay, and ngayon, we are going to just prepare the fish. So tatanggalan ko lang ng skin para madali. So slice ko lang. And then, para matanggal ko yung skin. Yan. Kabilis. Yan. Of course, plating is everything. Para pang shortcut at mas madali. Cut it in the middle, slant, and slide. Yan. There you go. What you will do is just season it. Let's go. Actually, kaya ko lang to na isip gawin kasi may nagbigay ng bagoong na to. And look at it, oh. Ang rich tingnan, no? Parang ang sarap. That's why I wanna cook this dish. So I can use this. A little bit of oil. So basically ito, I will just be using all the kinds of pepper that I have. So white, ground, black pepper, and a little bit of paprika. And meron kang coriander, that will be good too. The only reason I'm not gonna put some salt because you have to remember, we're gonna be cooking it with bagoong sauce. Tapos yung rice pa niya is Deli's rice. Diba? So here, yep, very peppery. Don't worry about it na hindi sila pantay-pantay. We could just add once they're in the pan. Tapos we're gonna use the same frying pan. Sayang naman. So ito, we're just gonna cook it and fry it. There. So probably about 3 minutes on each side because it's a little bit thick. Yeah, look at that. See? There. So we're not going to add some salt because it's gonna be very salty because of the bagoong. I'm so excited to try this. Oh my God, ang sarap. Hindi namin mapasalamatan kung sino nagbigay nito because nakalimutan nila sabihin sino, but I'm so excited. Smells really good. Talagang homemade. Parang it even has like some dried shallots, no? We're gonna mix the coconut cream, we're gonna mix bagoong, yung green beans, garlic, and onions. So, with tuna, ayaw mo talagang to cook through all the pan kasi pag tanggal mo sa fire, it's still cooking through. Diba? So, you have to slow it. Yan. So, yan. Pag konting nagka-crack na, that's when you know malapit na talaga maluto. Okay? Naglulusin na to. So, I'm just gonna put it here. Okay. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this oil. Oh my God. Looks so good. And then ang ating green beans. So ito, you can use Baguio beans, you can use yung kangkong stems. You can do so. String beans, sitaw, pwede rin. Ang sitaw lang kasi mas makunat. So, but okay lang. Look at this bagoong. Oh my God. So, I'm just probably gonna get 2 tablespoons. Para siyang XO sauce and bagoong. Oh my God. Alam ko sino nagbigay nito. Kay Saiden of Sunrise. Siya nagbigay nito. I'm so excited to try it. He's a chef na masarap magluto dito. Yan. So this one, what we will do is papalabas lang natin yung oil ng coconut cream, then we know it's ready. Tapos I will using not this same pan, but siguro sa wok at rice na hindi naubos nung almusal, gagawa tayo ng dilis fried rice. Ayan. Looks so good. Let me just try it. Good. So as you can see, andyan na ang bilis mag-ano ng oil. And then we're gonna have some dilis fried rice with this. Yan. Then, of course, dahil masarap to at masos, kailangan natin ng kanin. But, I have to close this episode until makaskip tayo dun sa pangalawa. So, this is our tuna with string beans with XO bagoong sauce and coconut cream. See you soon for the next episode para makain natin to together with our dilis fried rice. Thank you for watching Kusina ni Mrs. O.